guys, welcome to another video. So today I've had a parcel turn up from my girl Aggie. So this is a friend mail / birthday parcel. Now I'm pretty sure most of you guys know Aggie. If you don't, then where on earth have you been hiding? This girl is so funny and her nail art is amazing. And if you're not subscribed to Aggie, guys, head on over and subscribe to her channel because she's got an epic giveaway coming soon. And when I say epic, I mean epic giveaway. So head on over and subscribe to her channel if you're not already. So I think I'm just going to get straight into it, guys. So first thing is a new glitter folder. She already sent me a couple of these before. I've been using the A4 folders. I'm struggling to find the room to store them, you know, because they're so big. And Aggie's transferred all hers over to new folders, so she sent me all of her little ones, bless her. Thank you so much, chick. So these are the ones that I've got the 4 pockets. I love these. These are a really, really great size. If I compare it to my, you can't really see, but yeah, look, if you compare it to my hand, they're really, really nice size. Perfect size for me to store. She sent me a new bling box. So now I can finally get all my charms organised. I have already got one of these and it's full of all my different colour crystals. And I wanted another one to put all my charms in. So she said she was going to send me one of hers. Bless her. Thank you, chick. I can't wait to get all my charms organised. Everything is just so upside down at the minute. Oh, she sent me some medium coffin full cover tips. 0 to 8. Weird, I know. Yeah, that's weird, isn't it? Why is there not a size 9? Never heard of that before. Now these look really, really nice. These do look like the size that I've been looking for. Let's take a look at the number 3s. Yeah, look at the length of them. They are exactly what I'm looking for. And they're already pre-etched as well inside. I really like the long coffin, but I quite often take some of the length off. Now I'm not going to need to, and they're a beautiful shape, aren't they? Exactly what I was looking for, chick. Thank you so much. We've got some crystals. Oh, they're pretty, aren't they? Look at those. How unusual are those? They're like a dark blue metallic, but then they shift to that like emeraldy green. They are stunning. They're going to be beautiful for winter, with winter coming up. Oh, I forgot about these as well. Look at these. How pretty are they? So these are pink AB. Look at that kind of bluey purple UV shift. They are stunning. We did a swap with some of these. I bought some fuchsia AB and Aggie bought the light pink. So we did a swap with some of the shapes. Beautiful colour they are. Oh, I got some glovey gloves. Been dying for some of these. I've got some purple gloves, right? But admittedly, they are too big for me. And I wore them in a couple of videos and Aggie told me off. She said, don't you dare wear them gloves again in your video. She said it's so distracting because the ends of them are really baggy and floppy. She said it was taking the attention off the video and onto the gloves. She was getting distracted by it. These are perfect fit. Look at those. Perfect fit. Thank you so much, chick. I now have some gloves that fit. Oh, bless you. You are an absolute superstar. This is why I love this girl so much, because her honesty is just amazing. You want an honest answer, you know you're going to get it from Aggie. Oh, look. She sent me some Imalee chrome powder. Look at that, guys. How beautiful is that? Now, Aggie did a bridal set not long ago, and she applied some of this chrome powder over a white. And I'm not kidding. The colour they turned out was absolutely out of this world. And beautiful, beautiful colour. So I can't wait to give that a try over a white. That'll be beautiful over a black as well. Now she told me about these. So these are, they're not clear. They are actually gold crystals. These metallic gold ones. But on the back, they are clear, look. How unusual are they? They're really, really pretty though. But yeah, the clear part on the back looks like it's got facets, but it hasn't. It is actually flat. They're really unusual. I've not seen anything like those. We've got some more crystals. Ooh, these are pretty. Look at those. I haven't got any yellow crystals. I like them. I'm sure they are citrine AB, if I'm not mistaken. Really, really pretty colour, aren't they? Look at the shifts going on there. I love that kind of blue shift. She sent me some black crystals. So I've got some black crystals, but they are black glass, like clear. Where these are actually full on solid black. Can you see that? Hoping you can see that. Trying to find a bigger one to show you. They are actually full on black, solid black. They have got the, oh, that's it, look, you see it shining? Even though it's like a solid black, they're still really, really shiny. I like them. I haven't got any solid black crystals. And my black, like glass, they're more like a smoky sort of colour. I wouldn't call them black. I'd say they're more of like a grey. Oh, I see some pretty foils. Oh, I remember buying this one. Look at that, look. Look at all the colours ombreing. You've got blue, purple, pink, red, orange, yellow, green, blue. How smart is that? Really, really cool. Oh, look at this one. This is like a metallic red. It's called Ladybug foil. I think it's from Sparkle Supplies. It's really, really unusual, isn't it? I love this. Look at this. So this is Tooth Hound. I really like this pattern. I can see some really smart sweater nails with this. I've seen a few designs actually with this Tooth Hound print. Oh, I remember this one as well. Aggie and I went on the hunt for this foil. She saw it somewhere. I can't remember where she saw it. And she said, I want that foil, I want that foil. We need to find it on Ali. And she managed to find it. How cool is that? I'm going to have to put that away for summer now, I think. But it is smart. Really, really smart. Oh, look at this one, guys. Look at that. Look at the hollow. I've been dying to do a set of money nails. So I'm definitely going to use this one. How smart is that? I've not got nothing like that. That is so smart. I think that's probably my favourite one. Oh, we've got the white Tooth Hound as well. I like that because it's on a clear background, so you could put that over any other colour. It's always going to look different. I like that. That black one, look. Oh yeah, that's on a white background with black pattern, yeah. Yeah, I like that's got a clear background. We've got some more crystals. Look at these. So these are emerald green. And these are so much prettier than what they look like on the advert. They're a lot prettier green. Let's look at the bigger ones, you can see them a bit better. Yeah, so much prettier than what they look like on the advert. I'm not a fan of green, but I actually quite like them. They're super shiny as well. I can see me using them a lot with Christmas coming up. Ooh, you know what? I like this stuff. I use this quite a lot actually. I've got a few different colours now and I do use it quite a lot. In fact, I probably use it more than I do glitter. So these are mylar shards and they're super soft. Look at that. Really pretty colour. And then this one, it's got like that ultraviolet shift to it. Look at that. Ooh, I think that's probably my favourite. Definitely. I love that one. She just sent me them because they wouldn't fit in her pot. So she said, bits left won't fit in my pots. We've got some more mylar. Look at that. That is really unusual. It's like a purple to a blue to a green. That is so pretty. And I do use Mylar quite a lot. She sent me some bandage. This stuff is so cool. How pretty is that colour? That is really, really pretty. And it's weird stuff. It like sticks to itself, but it's not sticky. I don't even know how it works. But like you wrap it around your finger and it just stays there. And it's like with plasters, you're recording under the lights, you're getting hot, you're sweating, and your plasters always come loose. But with these, it don't matter how much you sweat, they don't come loose. She swears by this stuff. I've never tried it, so can't wait to give that a try. Thank you, chick. Oh my days, I love these. Look at those Chanel bows. They are gorgeous. Now, I was going to buy some of these as well, but we thought they was going to be a lot bigger than that. And they've turned up and they're so much smaller than what they look in the advert. I mean, you look at that on, say, one of my little nails there, look. They're not overly big. Are they? They're not overly big at all. I'm actually really happy with the size of them. And they've got quite a few different ones as well. They've got some that are like an aurora sort of colour. Really, really pretty. If I knew they was going to be that small, I'd have ordered a couple. But I shall be going to order some more now I've seen them. Thank you, chick. Love them. Oh, she sent me a nail art pen. Oh, a lot of people are using these at the minute. They look so easy to use. You know, if you just want to do some writing, if you want to do some fine line work. Ignore my nail, guys. I know it needs sorting. How cool is that? That is so much easier than painting. So much easier. Yeah, I can see me using that a lot. And I'll tell you what else I'll use it a lot for as well. Outlining things. You know, if you want to give something a black outline. And I really, really struggle to do it with a detailer brush. Look how small a detail you can get with that. Just don't look at my growth. Don't look at my growth though, guys, because I know it's really bad. I promise I am going to sort it tomorrow. It will get sorted tomorrow, I promise. Oh, we got some more charms. These look cute. So we've got some lollipops. How adorable are they? I wanted these for a set I did for a collab not too long ago, where I did some lippy lips and I wanted to put the lollipop hanging out the mouth, but I didn't have none, so I'm going to save them for another design. But I shall definitely be using them because they are so cute. We've got some snakes. Look at the detail on them. And they're a lot smaller than my snake charms as well. A lot smaller. And they're curved on the back. I really like them. Oh, these are cute. Look at these little unicorns. Oh, they are adorable. Do you know what? I've not done a unicorn set. Oh, I have done a unicorn set, but it wasn't really a cutesy one. It was more of a unicorn horn kind of design. I need to do a cutesy one because I've got some cute unicorn foils that I've not used either. We've got some zippy zips. Look at these. These are well smart. I've seen some really cool designs. Aggie did a collab with Joe, Just Joe Nail Addict. They did a collab together using these zippy zips. They're really, really smart. Definitely going to have a go with them. And then these ones are smaller ones. Let's put them side by side so you can see the difference in the size. Look. They're quite a lot smaller, aren't they? They're so cool. I really, really like them. Can't wait to try something with them. You're never going to guess what this chick has sent me, guys. She only went and sent me the Vetsy solid building gel. Been dying to try this. I have used the, in fact I've got it on my nails now. I use the Varnail solid building gel and I absolutely love it. Aggie's used a couple of different brands now and she weren't that keen on it, including the Varnail. She just wasn't that keen on it. Aggie is definitely a builder gel kind of girl. See, I struggle with builder gel. I find it too sticky. I'm too slow. With this solid building gel, you can just play with it forever and it's not going to go in your cuticle. It doesn't go anywhere until you put it there. Look at this pot, guys. Let's see. Oh my god, I love this pot. Look at it. Beautiful pot. And the colour is beautiful. You can't really go by that because it looks nothing like that on the nail. It is such a beautiful colour. I quite like the nude from the Varnail, but this is even prettier than the Varnail one. Thank you so much, Chip. You are an angel. And then lastly, she sent me some pigments. So this is one thing I have not got, and I don't know why I've never bought these, because they're so cheap. And you can do so much with them, guys. Like Votino, he uses pigments for nearly every single design nowadays. They're so versatile. So these are mica pigments and they've got like a kind of shimmer to them. So she sent me yellow, beautiful colour, orange, really pretty bright orange. Oh, I like that one. Look at that one. Can you see it shimmering? Gorgeous. Pink. Again, really pretty colour. Oh, I like that one. Oh, I think that's probably my favourite. Wow. Beautiful. We've got like a baby blue. That's a really nice colour as well. It's like a bit of a champagne-y sort of colour. Gold. Oh, look at that white one. Oh, I like that. It's a bit, it's got like a kind of pearlescent look to it, hasn't it? Yeah, I need to start using these. There's so many different things you can do with them, guys. And she sent me the black. Like a bronzy sort of colour. And the purple. Look at the purple. Oh, that is gorgeous. Thank you so much. You've absolutely spoilt me. So that is everything, guys. All my goodies. Look at them all. I can't wait to get organising. My bling box, my glitters. Oh, I'm so excited. Like I said, I'm going to leave Aggie's links in my description box below. I shall pin them in the comments as well. So don't forget to head over and subscribe to our channel if you're not already. Keep your eye out for that epic giveaway she's got coming very, very soon. I want to say a huge thank you, Aggie. You are an absolute angel. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please remember to give it a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing if you're not already. And I hope to see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.